Imagine going on a trip to learn how to keep and improve your skills in a time when robots and AI are becoming common in the workforce. The trip is inspired by Matt Beane's book The Skill Code, 2024, which explores how we can preserve and enhance our human skills in a fast-evolving technological world. A young chef is learning how to cook in a busy kitchen at a Michelin-starred restaurant with the help of more experienced chefs. This form of apprenticeship, in which experts teach beginners, is not only classic, it's also very important in today's world. Beane believes that the most effective way to acquire and maintain complex skills is through direct contact, hands-on experience, and healthy challenges. Think about the junior cook who starts out by doing simple prep work and then moves on to more difficult tasks. Each step tests their skills and helps them grow without being too hard. This method uses the brain's natural ways of learning to make the best conditions for skill growth. Researchers have found that when we push ourselves to the limits of what we can do, our brains make new connections that help us learn better. Beane suggests that instead of replacing them, we should use AI and automation to enhance our learning. Creating environments that promote healthy competition ensures the ongoing development of human skills alongside technological advancement. Imagine Sita as a warehouse worker who was promoted to shift supervisor for always doing her best and taking on challenging tasks. Her story shows how important it is to be involved in real-life problems that need practical answers and deep thinking. Dealing with difficulty is an important part of getting better at things. Solving problems and learning how to do complex assembly tasks is a practical way to improve skills in a changing world. This kind of learning setting, where theoretical information is put to use in the real world, is really where apprenticeship shines. To apply this in your career, seek challenging job opportunities that require you to handle uncertainty. Think about what you've learned and use that to help you learn, just like Sita did. Thinking about the problems you face every day helps you process and integrate new knowledge, which makes you more flexible. You build a wide range of skills that you can use in different situations by doing hard jobs and thinking about what you've learned. This base not only helps you succeed, but it also helps the people around you. As we move into a time of virtual meetings and automated tasks, the standard mentorship relationship is facing new problems. Take Emily as an example. Before they started working from home, her team thrived on face-to-face conversations. The move to virtual settings took away from the complicated interactions and hands-on learning that help professionals grow. Even though technology makes things more efficient, it often hides the hard parts and complicated parts of jobs that need to be done. For instance, young engineers might depend on complex software to get things done, missing out on the chance to learn by doing and solving problems with more experienced professionals. Junior team members should work with experienced coworkers to minimize these effects, according to Beane. This could involve creating projects that require people to communicate with each other or changing how technology is utilized so that it complements people instead of replacing them. Even in places where technology is used a lot, promote learning by doing. For example, newbies could practice in real-life situations with the help of a mentor using virtual reality systems. These immersive technologies keep the level of engagement and training that was possible in traditional settings. We keep the important parts of skill development alive in a world of automation and virtual relationships by creating places where technology and human knowledge can work together. Imagine a world where AI is almost everywhere and is so good that it completely beats human skill. Ines, a factory worker, still manages to learn and generate new ideas in today's highly automated world. Ines learned to use the robotic system by paying attention to the error codes. She proposed using visual error messages instead. This would make learning faster. Ines's story is a great example of shadow learning. Shadow learners help big changes happen by going against the grain and questioning what's already being done. To use shadow learning in your career, you need to value learning new things and be willing to come up with creative solutions to problems. Look into the systems you use more deeply and try to learn and make them better. Talk about your thoughts and ideas, closing the gap between beginners and experts. When you shadow someone, you have to push the limits of what you can do with the skills you learn. In the future, digital internships could bring about a huge change in how people learn new skills. Imagine a world where AI, virtual reality, and global networks make learning skills faster and easier. The building blocks are already here in the form of online platforms and integrated workplace learning systems. We risk making skill inequality worse if only a select few people can get meaningful chances to improve their skills. Make chimeric systems that merge human knowledge with AI to provide personalized real-time advice and comments. A new welder could use augmented reality to get real-time help from an expert while AI systems watch their work. This mix of methods makes sure that students get the in-depth training they need to really improve their skills. Beginners should seek opportunities to improve their skills, and experts should help others to learn. This will shape the future. Managers should create workplaces where skill development is as important as productivity, focusing on both output and the growth of employees' skills. Entrepreneurs can create tools that make things more efficient and help people learn new skills. To fix skill inequality, policymakers need to understand that a skilled workforce is good for society and allocate resources properly. We must all support this goal to ensure future generations have the necessary tools and opportunities to thrive in a constantly changing world. Matt Beane's The Skill Code talks about the pros and cons of using AI and robotics to help people learn new skills. Technology replaces many human jobs, but it's crucial to preserve human expertise through mentoring and hands-on experience. To improve our skills, we need to balance using new technologies with maintaining connections between experts and beginners. We can succeed in a modern workplace by understanding and adapting to its changes, and work together to create a future where human skills and AI both thrive.